DoubleTake Auto Spa in Fremont. So we got this 2024 Mercedes in the house, you guys. And so it's in for 2-stage paint correction. Then we're going to top this off with our ceramic coating. But I just want to show you guys the paint. So look at that. Had the owner protected it with our paint protection film, this damage here would not have happened. That's a nasty rock chip in the paint. And then they've been taking it to the local car wash. So we have all of these swirl marks. See all of that in the paint? Swirl marks, fine lines. And so what my man over here is doing is called paint correction. So this customer decided to go with our 2-stage paint correction because he really wants this paint to look amazing. And then we're going to top it off with our ceramic coating. So for paint correction, it all depends on the condition of the paint, whether it needs a quick polish, 1-stage, or a 2-stage. But again, this customer went with a 2-stage, which is a compound and polish. So let's check out the results, you guys. Do you guys see that? This is what we do at DoubleTake Auto Spa in Fremont. We can remove all of those unsightly swirl marks, fine lines, restore your vehicle paint back to a beautiful swirl-free shine. Check that out, you guys. So feel free to contact us here at DoubleTake Auto Spa in Fremont, 510-472-4181. Thanks for watching.